Meet Ulster County, New York Sheriff's Deputy BRIAN WOLTMAN Jr. Woltman is on his way to a traffic accident by an impaired driver involving property damage. Deputy Woltman has responded to this location and knows the homeowners. This is an area with a sharp turn in the road and accidents are common. The homeowners and previously their children suffer trauma from the dangers of these accidents, and Woltman's cavalier, unprofessional attitude only contributes to the problem. Despite New York's efforts spending tax on reform and training Woltman and their police across the state in how to interact with people suffering from stressful situations like this, Woltman not only yells at but conspires to eventually arrest an innocent homeowner and victim of the accident. Woltman is no stranger to controversy, having previous suspensions and lawsuits stemming from other viral videos I will link in the description for excessive force and discuss more in the video.
Hi.
Is this your car?
Yeah.
You're driving?
Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah, I do flash out the bike light. I'm in a girl.
Alright, we'll
She
talk.
explained, so I was coming from my father.
Sir, is this your car?
No, sir.
Well, can you get out of it, please? You don't have no right being in that car.
Yeah, the hell I don't.
Yeah. My friend
Is this your property?
Yes, it is.
Okay, well, stay on your porch, please.
No, I'll stay right here.
Can you please come?
Here, Deputy
I'm talking to
Woltman
the
has
cop right
no
now.
legal
Take your hands out of
authority
your
to
pocket.
direct the
Where are you coming
homeowner
from?
onto his
I come
porch.
from my father. Okay.
Alright, hang your
Okay.
phone up and talk to me.
Alright. Can I have your phone on?
Where are you coming from?
My father.
You're where?
Trailer park. My
Trailer
father.
park?
Yeah. From work.
The
Where are you
homeowners
headed?
continue to walk
I'm
around the
heading home to
area and
110
take
Down
pictures so they have
You have a license
evidence
on you?
for their
Yes.
insurance.
Can I go in my pocket? Probably is in the
Give
car.
me your license.
It's in the car.
What's your name?
Paul, right? It's bag one D.
Alright, sit in the front of my car here.
Can I hold my phone? Please? Thank you very much. She can explain for me.
Alright, you been drinking anything today? Have you had anything to drink today?
Yeah, I had to be.
You had 2 beers?
Yeah.
Alright.
In fact,
I went
you'll
fishing.
find out later in the video that this impaired driver
I'm not
has had
smoking
well
anything.
more than just 2 beers.
It was the
as
second
he
time I had an
states
accident here like this. This time the driver stayed.
Second time?
Yeah.
Like
Drive
25 times for me.
Once a goddamn year.
Where am I at?
You can hear
Right now?
Deputy Woltman discussing that he had been here at this site for other accidents in the past.
Yeah, please. Thank you very much. I appreciate
May
it.
I speak to him, please?
Who are you?
Hello?
Alright. We can put that on hold for
You
now.
heard the homeowner state that he's experienced dozens
Alright.
of accidents at this
Your car- your
location
license in your
over the
car?
years he's lived here.
Yeah, my wallet.
Yet this will be the first time that he's been arrested during one.
You're not hurt or anything, are you?
Although the impaired driver tells Deputy Woltman where his driver's license and wallet are, he does not give explicit permission or consent for Woltman to enter the vehicle, but he does so anyway. What's also interesting is how Deputy asks the driver if he's hurt or anything. Are ya? In fact, the homeowners may not be physically hurt, but they are clearly overwhelmed and stressed, as you will see more throughout the video.
Okay, so if you're heading out of Kingston, you know where Beale Street is?
Deputy Caliendo gives directions to the scene to the impaired
Well,
driver's
hey.
phone caller.
We're not even there yet. So hang the phone up and we'll talk to her later.
On the 3 of 2-4. 2-4 received back in service.
Yes, you heard what I heard. Deputy Woltman just farted.
Can I see this real quick? Hang your phone up. We got stuff to do here.
Officer? Hello? Hello?
Unlock your phone and hang it up. We got stuff to do here.
Okay.
Can you please stay on your porch, please, and I'll get all your information in just a second?
You know what?
No, I'll
This is
stay
my
right-
property.
I know this is your
and
property,
it's
but we're
damaged, and I'm taking pictures.
we're conducting
and
an
that's my
investigation,
right as a
please.
civil
I'm
human
sorry.
being.
I gotta go. I'm going to jail.
Hang your phone up.
All right, please, please. I'm sorry. I gotta go.
I'll stay right the fuck here.
I'm sorry.
Where I want to stay.
I hang it up.
Sir, can you just please get out of the road so you don't get hit by a
No,
car?
I'm fine. I'm not in the road.
Okay, I'm just asking. I don't want to see anybody get
No,
hurt.
I'm just telling you.
Okay,
you like
I'm
to hold the
I'm
phone?
not trying to be a jerk here. I understand it was your fence that was hit, but I don't want to see anybody get hit. That's my liability, okay?
Yep, and I'm not in the road. You're in the road. I'm not in the road.
Well, you are in the road. I'm not gonna place
Well, now you're in the road. You should get out of the road, officer.
Enough!
It's not safe.
Enough! Please,
No,
enough!
You-
Please, enough!
Enough from you.
Enough!
Enough from you.
No one's hurt.
Tyrant.
It's property
Enough
damage.
from you.
Property damage. It can all be
Enough
replaced.
From you.
Thank you.
Yeah, well, you jerk around with the fucking insurance company for fucking 6 months
He didn't
and go
do
through this
nothing.
bullshit. You have no idea, no clue.
I'm sorry.
You're clueless.
I'm sorry you have to go
Fucking
through
clueless.
this.
Yeah, right.
I'm
you
sorry
are.
too.
What do you give a shit? You don't give a shit. It ain't your fucking property. It ain't your fucking mental stress.
Tomorrow supposed to go in for my citizenship.
If you paid attention, he stated that
What's your name?
tomorrow he's supposed to
Alright,
go
let's
toward
walk
his
on the-
citizenship. I wonder
How
how
do you spell
that's
your
going to
last
work out.
BHAG.
There's several things to unpack here. A lot of
What's your
different
birthday?
things to discuss.
23rd October.
Let's look at the first
1977.
issue we have.
The guy flashed
The
my
deputies on scene and the driver are both
we're gonna come
standing in
back
the
here.
same area.
Sure.
Yet Deputy Woltman
Josh,
again
can you cut your
yells
lights
at
on
the
your car?
homeowner and tries to tell them to go up on their porch.
Come back here.
Despite all parties standing in the same area,
I know
Deputy
you're cooperative.
Caliendo then yells at the homeowner and states
We're
it's
staying
his
right here.
liability.
We'll have you do some.
There are multiple
do some tests,
Supreme
all
Court
right?
rulings stating
really
that
easy.
the police have no duty to protect anybody in those
Just come from work and
situations.
eat all day,
So
right?
once
So
again,
far.
there was no legal authority for Caliendo to order anybody away from the area or up
Never
onto
had an
their own
accident,
property.
Nothing.
No. Well, it's first time for everything, right? Hey, are you hurt? Are you
Just
hurt?
concerned my vehicle.
No. Are you hurt in any way? Are you hurt? Is anything hurt on you hurt? You're fine, right? You're not hurt. You're not injured, right?
I'm okay.
117.
I have a knife in my pocket, construction knife. Would you like to take it out?
Just
No,
hand,
no, please.
Just hand it to me.
Sure.
You're cooperative.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
No,
Do you have
I
anything
don't
else?
lie. I don't lie. No, I don't lie. Dude,
How much you had to drink tonight? Be honest.
6 beer.
Six beers. How long?
Furthermore,
like-
Deputy
Like over 4
Woltman
hours, I
displays
buy
his
food,
characteristic
everything. I got my rent
inability
money,
to
everything
control
in
his
my wallet.
emotions
Josh, can you
as
turn
he
your lights off
yells
in your
out
car?
enough
Just the
to the
fronts?
homeowners and tells them once again to get back on their property, despite the fact that they're simply trying to observe the situation and continue to take
I'm not going to
pictures
jail.
and gather evidence for any
you been
insurance
arrested for getting
issues
robbed
later.
before?
No.
No,
They're
you
not
haven't? All right,
interfering
listen,
in
no,
any
turn around,
way.
Turn around, talk to me. No, turn around, face me. Face me. Talk to me. Just step over here.
Woltman, who is not a doctor,
I'm gonna run
after
you through
repeatedly
some
asking
tests.
the
They're
driver
really
if he
simple
was
tests.
hurt,
Okay.
tells him
Just to
he's
see where you're-
fine.
just to gauge
but
where you're
not
at.
once does
Okay.
he show any concern toward the homeowners, despite his extensive training in how to deal with mental health issues.
What I have you do is I'm going to have you follow
100 camera.
the tip of my pen here.
Okay.
All right,
Yes.
you can stop.
Officer,
Oh, I'm sorry.
pay attention to the officer. Officer,
My flashy light.
he
Yeah,
has towing
I'm
on
sorry.
his car. If we could tow his car and I take him home, I would greatly appreciate it.
I'm still going to jail.
He has a citizenship test on Monday. He is a legal resident here in the U.S. And if you could tow, he has towing. If you could just have give me a fair hearing call. If you could tow his car, let him tow his car.
The car, there's already a tow truck coming.
Thank you. And I'll take him home.
No, you will. Yeah, when we get to that point, you can. But you can just stand back there for me. Oh yeah, thanks. All right. You good with your hands?
Yeah, I do construction.
You do construction, so you go with your hands. You work with your hands all day?
Yeah.
So whatever hand you feel comfortable with, you're going to do a finger count test. I feel comfortable doing it with my left hand, right? Watch me. Pay attention, watch me. This is easy. So you're going to count on your fingertips like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Listen.
Okay.
4, 3, 2, 1. And count backwards. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. Just like that.
Okay.
You're going to no, listen.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Just do 3 sets of that. Do that 3 times. 3 sets. Down, and back is 1. Okay. So go down and back 3 times.
I got you, buddy. I got you.
So I start from bottom up.
You start with
top to bottom.
Start with your thumb and your index finger, and you go to your pinky, and then you go to your pinky back.
So the thumb count as 1.
What's that?
The thumb count as 1.
1,
okay,
2,
so this
3,
is 1.
4.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Right. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
And do that 3 times.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good enough. That's 3 times.
No, it's 2.
That's 2. You want to do one more time?
No, you got it. All right.
I tell you the light that flash me.
All right, just sit tight for 2 seconds. Be right back. Just stand here for a second.
Sure, no problem.
I'm going to take you home. All right? Fair enough? If they allow you to go home.
All right. This right here is to determine whether or not it's a positive or negative breath test screening, which determines whether or not you have alcohol on your breath or not, which gives a positive or negative reading.
Okay, so I told you I did not eat all day.
All right, that's fine.
Is it okay? May I explain to him?
I think he's got it.
Well, Paul has, I'm serious, he really does.
I've been speaking to him for the last 20 minutes, and he's understanding every word I said.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
Is it clean though?
What's that?
Is it clean?
I just took it out the package out. I just took it out of this package here.
Okay.
Brand new, Ziploc.
From one human being to the next, I didn't eat nothing all day.
Okay, that's fine.
Fair enough. Thank you.
It's a breathalyzer, Paul.
I know.
All right, so when I tell you to, you're just gonna blow on it until I tell you, you're gonna hear it click, and it's gonna pop, and you can stop. So hold on, wait for it. All right, blow as hard as you can.
I worry about it.
You gotta blow. Blow, it's like you're blowing through a straw. And it's a computer, so it's not gonna blow. And you'll hear it click. Keep going. Keep going until you hear it click. Now you're blowing too hard. Just blow straight, steady stream, like this. Like this. Nice steady stream.
I'm sorry, I'm listening.
And refusal to do this is an arrestable offense. Hold on, not ready yet. Just blow normal. All right, just blow normal. You hear it click. Keep going. There it goes.
Miss me, people. Am I under arrest?
Hold on 1 second. Here, do me a favor, take that straw off. Take that straw off.
Pick it up?
Yeah, take it off.
What should I do with it?
Just hold on to it. All right, Paul.
It's okay, Paul.
I understand.
No, you're not going to jail.
No, he's
Oh,
not.
I thought I was going to jail. I'm sorry.
You're not going to jail. You're under arrest, but you're not going to jail. You're under arrest for driving while intoxicated.
Okay.
But you're not.
Okay, fine.
We're going back to our headquarters and we gotta go do paperwork. All right?
Officer, my headquarters are ones.
Hold on, ma'am. Can you stay over here?
Absolutely. Paul, relax. I'm coming. I'll be right there, buddy.
At least this time didn't go through the house.
The insurance information, because we've been through this a million times.
I know.
And we've been jerked off. Like you have no idea. This happens every freaking year.
Right.
This is extremely
I know it's
agonizing
frustrating.
for me.
But we made an arrest this time. The last time the driver wasn't here when I came here.
Right.
And the
but
car
he
went to
still
the house.
caused property damage, and I had to go through hell with the insurance company to get my house fixed. Do you understand what that's like? I don't think you people really understand what it's like to do this over and over again.
I do understand. You got a bad spot here, and I don't know what else that can be done.
Here is another missed opportunity for trained Deputy Brian Woltman to express concern for their overall well-being. He was overly concerned about the impaired driver's physical well-being, but he has not yet once acknowledged the stresses of what this is causing the homeowners.
Hey, stranger, what's happening?
Vehicle on left roadway hitting pole.
This is a tow truck driver from Mark's Towing, a local towing company. Notice how he's in the road and taking photographs like the homeowners were doing earlier when they were yelled at. He will play a key role later in the video during the arrest of the homeowner. Keep watching.
No. Were you here for the last one or no?
Which last one?
The one where it went to through the house?
No, I didn't get
essentially?
that one.
Yeah.
It wasn't me. Is that the RO back there?
No, he's in the back of my patrol car.
Okay.
According to multiple New York government websites, including the DMV, drivers are required to give their insurance information to the injured or property damaged party. They are required to do this prior to leaving the scene. At this point, the homeowner still has not received any insurance information.
Oops. Now, as far as I know, we're going to do some paperwork and you're going to go home. But unless something comes up that's crazy, I foresee.
don't have nothing.
All right, perfect. Then you're going to go home. So keep that in your pocket. We'll keep that in your pocket. It has all your money in it.
I don't flash a light.
It's going to be fine.
At this point, the tow truck driver from Mark's Towing claims the homeowner entered the vehicle again. Keep in mind, the homeowner still does not have the insurance. Tow truck driver is the only one that has witnessed this allegation.
Sir, can you have them let them do their job, please?
I am. I'm out of the vehicle.
Well, can you stay back?
I am back.
If something flies off, I don't want to get you.
I'm well aware of that.
All right. Well, you've been warned that if something hits you, you've been advised.
The homeowner is on his own property behind the fence. In just a few minutes, both deputies will mute their body cam audio and conspire to arrest the homeowner, all while in front of the tow truck driver. This is against New York Police body cam policy. No body cams will be muted and discussions held in front of civilians.
Yo. You busy? Can you meet me at zone 3 to run a breath test? Take your time.
Oh, wow, Paul, I want to fucking kill you, buddy.
It's
Officer, did you get his wallet out of the car?
yes, it's in his pocket because it has all his money in it.
Thank you.
So
in case I have to bail him out.
No, he's not.
Officer, my
Ma'am,
heart is
stop.
so
Can you just
broken.
can I explain? Can you just calm down, relax? I'll explain.
trying.
I'll explain everything to you.
Thank you. I'm worried. I'm sorry, officer.
You're gonna get the paperwork from him so he put it back in the car or what?
Yeah.
So
You want his insurance information?
What can
I can give it to him. Is what I'm saying.
you're saying a lot, but you're not listening. Listen to me.
Fair enough.
You're gonna follow us back to our substation.
Okay.
We have some paperwork to do.
Okay.
When we get done with the paperwork, he's gonna get some tickets, and he's gonna go home with you.
Thank you.
Unless something crazy pops up, which I don't foresee,
Thank you.
he's gonna come home with you.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right?
All right, and I will. He's illiterate. He can't read and write. So I will make sure that you have all his proper insurance information.
we
so
have
on
it
and
all.
So forth.
I have it
okay,
all.
good. Fair enough.
Thank you.
All right, so I'm gonna
give
follow that officer or you, or it doesn't matter.
We'll go in both the same place. So you can
Okay.
follow both of us.
Fair enough. I'm sorry, officer. I'm just worried.
there's the card.
Thank you so much.
All right. Just.
I apologize, right?
No, you're fine. Just go wait in your car.
Thank you.
Sir, do you have the paperwork that you took out of his car?
No.
Excuse me?
The homeowner just stated that he didn't take any paperwork out of the car, and in fact, he had not, nor is there any evidence of it. They did not receive any insurance information until days after the event, after repeated calls to the Ulster County Sheriff's Department.
Because you wouldn't let him, and then I'm trying to load the car, and he's opening up the passenger door into that paperwork.
When I came here originally, he was inside the car, and I was like, get out, you have no right being in that car.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna arrest him too.
Yeah. I like that idea.
Mark's towing tow truck driver just stated he likes the idea of the homeowner being arrested, simply for wanting to have the insurance information which is legally required to give before leaving the scene so he can get compensated. At this point, Deputy Woltman mutes the audio on his body cam and signals to Deputy Caliendo to do the same. His video also shows what happened. They are now conspiring in front of the tow truck driver for how they can arrest the homeowner. This, again, is against body cam policy to have any disengaged body cam footage discussions in front of any civilians that the tow truck driver is. Pictured here is Deputy Caliendo with his K9. At no time does Deputy Caliendo tell Deputy Woltman that this is a bad idea. They continue to conspire to arrest him. Even though both the homeowners, the male and the female, have been traumatized by the event, they've shown no concern toward either one, but discuss only how they can arrest them. They've been on this site previously, and they will be on this site again, and they want to exercise their authority because they don't like how they spoke to them and show them who's boss.
Okay.
Sir?
Yeah.
Hello? Jenny, I gotta call you back.
Sir? Can I
Yes.
speak with you for a second over here?
Yep.
Do you have anything on you that I consider illegal?
Excuse me?
Do you have anything on you that's illegal besides that knife?
I don't answer questions like that.
Okay, turn around, put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
I'm under arrest for what?
You're under arrest for obstructing governmental administration.
How do you figure I did that?
We're here investigating an accident, and you're interfering with the accident scene. You have to be advised numerous times not to be involved, not to be in the vehicle or anything like
Okay.
that. Do you have anything in your pockets that's sharp? sir?
Just my pocket knife on this side.
Just your pocket knife?
Yep, right there. Yep.
Up in your front pockets?
Nope.
All right. Josh, do you have room in your back? What's that? Do you have room in the back here?
Can I talk to my wife?
I'll tell her. Come with me.
3F23 to county.
F23.
3F23 to county. Have units below 32 north.
Your husband's under arrest and he's coming with me. And
Why is my husband under arrest?
for obstructing governmental administration.
Oh, give me a fucking break.
He'll be back in a little bit.
Southbound. Can you notify County first?
All right. Go for it. All right, just hang up. No, you're not going to jail, bro.
Deputy Woltman apparently is now the impaired driver's bro. For the remainder of the body cam footage, which I will post as part 2, Deputy Woltman drives the impaired driver back to the station and continues to placate him with cordial small talk. At no time did he show this same respect or cordialness toward the homeowner. Instead, he ended up arresting him, only contributing to the trauma of the events they're experiencing with these accidents in their home. The homeowner was ultimately charged with New York Statute 195.05, obstructing governmental administration in the second degree. Read the statute and you be the judge. Did the homeowner really obstruct the deputies during this situation? Keep reading and don't go anywhere. There's more to come and even more bonus footage at the end of the video.
100 is zone 3 as well.
Unfortunately, neither one of these deputies will be held accountable. The homeowner went on to hire an attorney. The attorney convinced the homeowner to take a plea. The homeowner was put on some type of 6-month adjudication, and that was the end of the case. Unfortunately, these situations only allow deputies like this to continue to abuse their authority when they're not held accountable. I encourage anyone in these situations to take this to trial and continue to fight it. Often, though, the justice system knows that people can't afford this, not just from a monetary amount, but from a stress and mental health standard. These homeowners have been through so much that they cannot continue the process. It's easier to let it go than continue to fight and continue to pay to fight these situations. Finally, to help illustrate the incompetence of the New York justice system, Attorney Lawrence Trank did not request this body cam footage. This is the first time this body cam footage is being shown and released to the public.
You're fine, bro.
That was some vigorous hand rubbing, bro. Now for that bonus footage I promised. Brian, who has 6 years as a deputy, also has a brother named Kevin, who has 8 years as a deputy in the same department.
My substation. We're going to do some quick paperwork, give you some tickets, and you're going to be out the door. How's that sound? It got towed. We gave you a business card to where it got towed to.
0 county amount. 2150.
No, just go to court. I'll explain everything to you when we get back to the substation. Listen, you can sit down. You can have your hand uncuffed. I'll give you a tissue. You can blow your nose. All right? Everything will be all right. Trust me.
Deputy Woltman, pictured here, proudly spending time with members of the military in Washington, D.C., despite arresting a man who is both the father of a member of the military and also a son of a member of the military, a World War II veteran. The Ulster County Sheriff's Department has a mental health program for its deputies, but they don't seem too concerned about the mental health of the homeowners. And finally, during this time, and during Deputy Woltman's other viral interactions with the public, his father was an Ulster County Legislator. pictured here. We'll close this video with copies of some of the complaints in Deputy Woltman's personnel record. Here you can see his suspensions as well as his punishments and the evidence that he was convicted, or that the complaints were substantiated rather. And I'll give you some time to read through these before the video will end. That's all for now. At this point, if you want to continue reading, you can go ahead and pause the video. And as a final disclaimer, everything in this video is public record. It can be requested by any citizen from the Ulster County Sheriff's Department or Ulster County records requests. Lastly, the rest of this information that you've seen throughout the video can be publicly found open source through simple Google searches and meets all YouTube policy requirements.